But that's not the truth. All of these brave men are merely waiting for a sign.
While all of these brave men are making their names known, we are protecting the property of strangers, and for the Venetian organization called UNITA.
With Allah's consent, we are going to shoulder the heaviest burden, Ilyas. Just as all of the infidels gathered around a cross, all of these brave men must unite under the light of the crescent. And that is my one and only goal, Ilyas.
Aha. If all of this actually happens, then the Turks would rule all the seas.
Yes, we will, Allah willing. Yes, we will. But we have to be patient. First of all, we need to find out what's going on in Frankish lands, from the shady dealings of UNITA to all of the secret plots and schemes of that foolish Pope. And also, we must keep the secret asleep, and only awaken it once the time is right.